Free website building lesson online. Absolutely no experience is required. Build complete websites. Create simple sites or full marketing funnels, all integrated with any technology that you want. 100% free method. This skill doesn't cost you anything. You even get a free page builder, web hosting, and subdomain for your new site with the world's #1 website funnel building system. Suitable for newbies and beginners. Simply drag and drop, copy and paste, click and scroll. No technical skills or experience is needed at all. Plus, as a special bonus, discover how to make money online with your websites. Free private group, digital academy, and live training sessions by the top marketers in the world. All completely free. Make more money at home or anywhere in your spare time, learning how to build professional websites, sales pages, and online funnels without any programming, coding, or design skills. Register now for free instant access to this website building online lesson and open up your mind, eyes, and arms to a brand new untapped digital opportunity right now.